Hello friends, today's topic list of stocks in RSI, overbought and oversold zones. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Nifty has been moving in a narrow range of 22,000 to 22,800 since the last 2 months. There are currently some stocks which are in oversold zone for short term as well as some stocks which are in overbought zone as per RSI. Whenever the RSI of a stock is below 30 or 40, it is considered oversold zone. Similarly, when the RSI is about 70, it is considered overbought zone. Since the following list of stocks are in oversold zone, they have a good chance of recovering or rallying in a short term if there is an overall market rally. Similarly, the stocks in overbought zone could face some profit booking. Study the following stocks for any other short-term opportunity. Stocks in overbought zone based on RSI. Number 1, Hero Motocorp, RSI 74.80. 2, Havells India 76.44. 3, Bharat Forge 76.84. Dabur 70.06. 5, Eicher Motors 76.32. 6, Marico 78.84. 7, ABB India 78.96. 8, Siemens 80.91. 9, Polycab 74.61. 10, Cummins India 77.25. Usually, stocks cannot stay for very long in overbought zone and there can be correction sometime. So if you hold these stocks for short term, be alert and take necessary action when required. Now the list is stocks in oversold zone based on RSI. 1. L&T Technology Services 27.65 with RSI. 2. HCL Tech 25.96. 3. SRF 32.94. 4. Sona BLW Precision Forgings 31.59. 5. Bank of India 29.24. So track the stocks in oversold zone and if they enter buy zone based on any technical analysis indicator such as 30 DMA, then you can consider buying for short term. However, if there is any fresh negative news, especially about these companies or in the overall market, then they may consolidate a little more before rallying. Just like a stock does not stay above RSI 70 for too long, a stock RSI does not stay below 30 for a very long time. If the stock is fundamentally strong, then it will be likely to rally and RSI will go up much higher than 30 in a few days and weeks. Graduates of our advanced stock market course will be in a better position to take advantage of this opportunity since they would have learned the concept of RSI and techniques to use it for short-term trading. End of the video, here is a question. Which was the largest IPO in the Indian IT industry? There are 4 choices for you. A. Infosys, B. Wipro, C. TCS, D. HCL Tech. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.